Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about 15 big changes to India's income tax rules that came into effect in 2025. As you all know, the government makes changes to the income tax laws every year. This year, Finance Minister announced several key changes in the 2024 budget that are now applicable in 2025. So, without further ado, let's delve into these 15 changes. 1. New tax regime. You will no longer pay any tax on income up to 3 lakh rupees. Income from 3 lakh 1 to 6 lakh rupees will be taxed at 5%. Income between 6 lakh 1 and 9 lakh rupees will attract a 10% tax rate. You will pay 15% tax on income between 9 lakh 1 and 12 lakh. Income from 12 lakh 1 to 15 lakh will be taxed at 20%. Income above 15 lakh rupees will be taxed at 30%. 2. Standard deduction limit increased. The standard deduction for salaried individuals has been increased from 50,000 rupees to 75,000 rupees. Family pensioners will now receive a standard deduction of up to 25,000 rupees, increased from the previous 15,000 rupees. 3. Higher tax relief on NPS contributions. Under the new tax regime, employers' contributions to the National Pension Scheme (NPS) account for salary, basic plus DA, will now receive a tax deduction of 14%, up from 10% previously. 4. Capital gains tax rates revised. Short-term capital gains will now attract a 20% tax rate, up from the earlier 15%. Long-term capital gains on equity-oriented mutual funds are exempt up to 1,25,000 rupees, increased from the previous 1 lakh rupees. Under the revised Finance Bill 2024, the government now offers a long-term capital gains rate of 12.5% on assets like real estate and gold. Under the new tax regime, individuals can also choose the old tax regime, where a 20% indexation rate is offered for houses purchased before July 22, 2024. 5th, holding period for capital gains revised. The holding periods for market-related instruments that define short-term and long-term capital gains have been revised. Long-term gains are now determined on a 12-month holding period for listed securities and a 24-month holding period for unlisted securities. 6. TDS rates rationalized. TDS rates have been modified on various parameters. The TDS rate is now 2% on insurance commission, non-company, and payment of rent by individuals or Hindu undivided families. A TDS of 0.1% is applicable on e-commerce transactions. 7. Easier claiming of credit for TCS collected TDS deducted for salaried employees. The Central Board of Direct Taxes (CBDT) amended income tax rules to simplify claiming credit for TCS collected TDS deducted for salaried employees. This amendment also enables the claiming of TCS credit for minors by their parents. 8. TCS credit transfer. Effective January 1, 2025, parents can now claim tax collected at source (TCS) on funds remitted to minors under the RBI's liberalized remittance scheme. 9. Taxation of buyback shares. Income received on the buyback of shares will now be taxed. Applicable tax rates will depend on the individual's income class. 10th, securities transaction tax increased. Effective October 1, 2024, the STT on futures was raised to 0.02% from 0.0125%. The STT on options was increased from 0.0625% to 0.1%. 11th, relief for TDS delay. The new rule decriminalizes delays in TDS payment up to the due date for filing the statement as per the 2024 budget. 12. TCS on luxury goods. The government is now levying TCS on luxury goods exceeding 10 lakh rupees in value. This change came into effect on January 1, 2025, with a TCS rate of 1% on these goods. 13. Revised TDS rule on sale of property. Under the new rule, the buyer will deduct 1% TDS on the sale of a property costing more than 50 lakh rupees. This applies to all types of properties, including land, commercial, and residential. 14th, TDS on RBI floating rate bonds. Effective October 1, 2024, a 10% TDS is now deducted on RBI-led central and state government bonds, including floating rate bonds. 15, Vivad Se Vishwas Scheme 2.0. The government extended the deadline for determining the payment amount under the Vivad Se Vishwas scheme to January 1st, 2025 at lower tax rates. From February 1st, 2025, individuals under the scheme will have to pay additional fees based on updated tax rates. These were the 15 big changes to the income tax rules in India. It's important to consult with a chartered accountant to understand how these changes will impact your tax planning. I hope this information will help you with your tax planning. Thanks for watching and do subscribe our channel.